Hello fam, welcome to the second annual retreat and the second AGM, annual general meeting of marketfeed. So we do this once every year where we get the whole team together in one place and we discuss about what happened in a year and what we are planning to do in the next year. It's going to be super fun is what I'm going to say. So this time when we are doing it, we are doing this in Wayanad in Kerala. So this time we thought we'll take you as well, right? So you're also going to witness what exactly is going to happen in the annual retreat AGM of marketfeed. We'll absolutely share with you what's going to happen here. Plus, I also thought that while we are doing this, let's also talk about what exactly marketfeed is doing and why we are doing this and what all we'll be doing in the future. And also, I mean, to be very honest, there are questions about why we are valued at nearly 250-300 crore rupees, right? We'll also talk about that. We'll also justify our valuation. We'll also talk about all our future plans. So let's get to it. Let's move. Yeah, so hi all. Hi. Yeah. So welcome to the second annual retreat of marketfeed. Right. So if you remember last November is when the whole team got together in Munnar, right? We all got together, we had some fun activities, plus then we had all of us sitting on the stage and talking about what the company has been doing over the last year and what we are planning to do over the next year, right? So we did that once, but then it wasn't a thing. Now we are doing it for the second time, so let's call it the annual retreat. And let's make sure we do this every year, right? Every year once we'll all get together from all parts of the country or even the world. Let's look forward to having people from all over the world as part of the team, right? So I would say this is just a for a larger AGM kind of a thing we would eventually have, right? Like being in the world of stock market, we know we always look forward to Reliance having an AGM one year, right? Like we look forward to that event. Ambani and the family coming on stage talking about what the company has been doing and what they would do over the next year, and we see prices also fluctuating. But again, that's something big for a company when it goes big, right? An AGM where all of the team, all of the shareholders come together, and here we are, our team and a lot of our shareholders also here, right? So this, I would say, is a very initial form of a very large AGM we would eventually have over the year. So yeah, so this is just setting tone to that. So just saying, so annual retreat is probably spread over 2, 3, 4 days, and let's keep it like that. And this would be, so tomorrow we would be having activities and then we would be having AGM on the third day. But again, I would take a lot of time like I always do. So just welcoming you all and thanking you all.
Now that the teams are decided, we are moving on to the activities for the day. Left or right? Right! I can't hear you! Left! Right? Left!
Yes, so as you can see, the whole team is having a lot of fun here. And officially, this is day 2 of marketfeed's second annual retreat. And yesterday, as you saw, the first day was full of travel. We checked into the resort and we had a welcome note for the entire team. We had bonfire, we had some fun. It was mostly chilling and relaxing for the very big second day, right? So today was fun-filled, a lot of activity-filled, a lot of team bonding, team building sessions, a lot of games, and it was really competitive, to be very sure. And in fact, I'm also personally waiting to know, after all the activities, they would, and because we divided the whole team. Speaking about that, we have nearly 50 people in the team right now. So we divided 50 people into 6 teams. So tonight we'll know out of the 6 teams which team will be winning. Even I am looking forward to it, and I'm personally team purple. So as of now, I think our team is standing well right above on the leaderboard, so absolutely looking forward to winning it and getting that prize. So yeah, that is that. 2 more days are actually left. Day after tomorrow, Monday, is when we will be returning back to Bangalore. So before you see further about what is happening here, I definitely would love to talk about why MarketFeed is valued at 30 million USD. Now, US dollar is nearly 80 rupees. So if you do a rough calculation, that is nearly 250 crore rupees valuation is what MarketFeed currently valued at. So I normally receive a lot of questions in the comment box, in my DMs, and even when I meet people, people ask me why MarketFeed is valued so highly at 250 crore rupees. So to be honest, we started operations in the mid of 2020. It's been nearly 2 years that we have been operational, right? And what have we been doing? We've been building products and services that help people make an income from the stock market. It's as easy as that. So our vision, so it is written very clearly and strongly what our vision is, what the company's vision is, right? Which is to help people make income from the stock market. And that's exactly why we have our tagline here, right? Trading for all. We want to take trading to everybody possible because we strongly believe so. See, I've been trading for a very long time and making good income, extra income for in my life, and I've personally seen a lot of people doing it as well. Now, in fact, MarketFeed has a strong research team in-house as well, with who are building strategies with which a lot of people are making consistent income every month just by trading. So when we understood and when we started believing that this could be done, it was only about how can we take the superpower of trading and making an extra income and give it to all the people of India, all the retail traders of India, and even people who do not know about the stock market, and still empower them to trade. This was our pitch. And I believe we've been doing good as well. For that, I hope we have helped a lot of you make income from the stock market, right? Via our multiple products and services, starting from our YouTube to the MarketFeed app, where we give out free trade ideas of India's top profitability verified traders. We're doing it all. So speaking about the whole journey and why we are valued at 250 crores, right? So it started all 2 years before, and 1 year before, we actually nearly more than slightly a year before, we got into Y Combinator, one of the world's largest startup incubator based out of the US. So Y Combinator is a rigorous program. It is a startup accelerator program. We get a lot of mentorship as to how to build an amazing high growth startup. So if you look into a lot of big startups in India like Razorpay, like Meesho, like Grow for that matter, all of them are Y Combinator incubated companies. And we also got into Y Combinator. Amazing. That was one of the best moments of my life, to be very honest. So we got into Y Combinator. So after Y Combinator, something called a demo day happens. So on the demo day, we get to pitch what we are trying to build for India or even for the world to all the investors who are registered with Y Combinator. So we pitched our idea there. We were doing pretty well there already. We were 1 year into the journey. We had enough traction. We had enough customers. We had enough revenue. We could show growth across everything. And that is why we could raise over 2.5 million US dollars as seed capital in exchange of equity at a valuation of 30 million US dollar. There it goes. That's the story. So that's how we could raise our seed fund. We have nearly 4 venture capitalists on our cap table, 4 VCs on our cap table, and multiple angels as well, right? So we raised over 2.5 million from multiple investors in exchange for equity at a valuation of 30 million US dollars. And that is why we are valued at 250 crores, right? So again, so the story is simple. So our vision is very clear. It is to enable people to trade and help them make income, regular income, and extra income from the stock market. And that we want to enable for a lot of people, right? A lot of people. I'm not getting into numbers here. We are not just talking about the regular average retail trader in India. We even want to enable someone who hasn't even heard about stock market. We even see them as our target market. So we have projected our target market as really big, and we are super confident that we can do it. And that is why, my dear friends, we are valued. So that's that. I wouldn't take a lot more time. We have a lot more to talk about though. But again, before that, let's see more of what's happening inside. चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरियां चली
apply for a leave to yourself.
Based on Crore's market order. Good evening, guys. Let's begin the second AGM.
Good evening. The second AGM, and this is where it has become a thing, right? AGM becoming a thing. And let's make sure we're here to do this for umpteen number of times, the 20th AGM, 50th AGM. I mean, think about the stories we would have then, right? Amazing, goosebumps already. Anyway, so that's that. So welcome all formally to the second annual general meeting of MarketFeed. Whew. Why do we exist? Why do MarketFeed exist as a company? Our mission is to help people make an income from the stock market.
So ambitious, it's not only about setting high ambitious goals and executing. Even in your day-to-day work, like it's about committing to timelines, delivering them, making sure we are, on track. Lot of things, right?
So when we started this and when we are running this over a period of time, one thing that we understood is the most challenging part probably about building and making a startup successful is not about your idea, it's not even about execution, but it is about having a good organization with you. Building a good organization. I mean, that is, I believe, one quality, one skill that we are acquiring over time. We'll definitely talk about what we have done there, what we are planning to do to make the organization much more better, which is to make sure the team sticks together and builds with a lot of conviction, with a lot of clarity, what is necessary and builds on time, delivers on time, right? So that is something which I actually, that is the largest thing which comes to my mind when I look into history. Yes, so as you can see, the annual retreat is almost done. This is the final day. Everything is packed. People are getting into the vehicles, all ready to go back to Bangalore, right? So definitely amazing 2-3 days of our lives. And I spoke to you regarding the competition that we were having, and I was part of Purple Team, and Purple Team won. So again, that was amazing. After that, we had the annual general meeting. I hope you have already seen bits and pieces of what I spoke, what all the other leads of different teams in MarketFeed spoke, right? So it was amazing. So annual retreat going the right way, the annual general meeting AGM done the right way, I'd say. But to close everything off, I kind of promised to tell you also as to why MarketFeed exists and what we are planning to do ahead in the coming 1 year, right? So we'll keep you updated. We want to take you in our journey while building MarketFeed. So the question is, what are we building or why do we exist? So it is very clearly written here, right? Trading for all. That is why we exist. We want to help people make an income from the stock market. That is, help people make income from trading, and that too regular income. Because we have been doing this for a very long time. I personally have been trading for a very long time, and I have been making good money almost every month in the way I trade every single month for a long period of time. And as I said, we have an in-house research team now. And even in the research team, we have strong traders who have been for many years making consistent profits almost every single month from trading. So we know this is a truth that people can make an income from trading, from the stock market. So now our only job is to take this truth and help other people to do the same, right? Facilitate other people to trade and make consistent profits almost every month. I know making profits every month is too good to be true, and it's not even probably practical. So even say if there are 12 months in a year, 8 months in profit, 4 months in loss, but all put together a year good money, right? Good returns. That's what we are trying to facilitate. So yeah, that is the mission that we live by every single day, every single morning. When I get out of my bed, I'm super excited to do this, which is to help people make an income from the stock market. And that is what all of us, all of the team here, we are nearly 50 people strong now, all of us live by it. We breathe it, and that is what we build, and this is what we live by, trading for all. So now the question is, so if that is the mission, then what are we doing to reach there? Right? That is the why. The question is what, how is very clear, right? We have a beautiful team. We have a team of good traders. We have a team of great developers, amazing designers, great media team. So the team is the how of doing what we are doing. So the next question is, what is MarketFeed doing so that we are achieving our mission, which is to help people make income from the stock market, right? So you've been seeing us for a good enough period of time, I believe. So currently we have multiple products and services available. To begin with, I'd say the MarketFeed app. So you can download MarketFeed app right away, and we have listed profitability verified traders there, and they post their trade ideas there, and absolutely for free, with position sizing, with capital allocation, everything for free. So what you can do on the MarketFeed app is you can go there, you can select a trader based on the trading style that is appropriate for you, and then all the trades of that trader is being posted there. You can copy all of those trades, and if you copy it in the right way, you can make similar returns as that of the trader that you're following. Amazing, right? And that is free. So I would say, what are you waiting for? You can directly download MarketFeed app right away and start copying trades of profitable traders, right? Plus, now that plus is what we are going to do in the next year, and that is revolutionary. That is definitely going to change the face of the trading ecosystem, the landscape in India is what I'd say. Because again, what are we trying to do? We have winning strategies. The only question is, how do we deliver it to people, maximum number of people in the most effective manner, so that people actually trade and make consistent income from the market, right? And we have some innovative, revolutionary ways of doing it, and those are stuff that you will be seeing in the coming 1 year of MarketFeed, right? So I wouldn't even talk about it right now. When we actually launch it, you'll be getting to use them, and that is when I'll definitely would love to hear back from you, right? So that is it, I'd say. So the team is almost all set to get back to Bangalore. So as you always say, right, we would really love all of you to be a part of our journey, right? And I really look forward to one day, I don't know what number of AGM it would be. I don't know, X AGM. I would even really would love to see a lot of you as shareholders sitting and being part of our discussions, our plans, right? So that is that from my side. That is that from the team of MarketFeed. Hey boys, let's give a shout out to end the video, right? MarketFeed, trading for all. Abhishek Staff.